What up? Today's video. I'm gonna be talking about my car, what I all did to it, and I all did, yeah, which part I put on, what it is, and this is gonna be a little bit of a vlog. So I hope you enjoy. And here it is. Hyundai Elantra GLS. I wish it was a GT, but they don't have it. So this is what I got for now. My little doggy, Kiraline, Jack Russell. Let's start with the wheels first. Let me get out there. I just recently got this. I painted it plastic dip. If you don't know what it is, it's a rubber coating for, like, if you don't like it, it peels off. Like right here, if I can get some overspray. I don't know, but that's what it looks like. And I did my slotted drill, brake rotors. I did paint it in a couple, I think a year ago. So this, what I'm looking at right now is my 18-inch wheel. The tire size is 235 by 40 by 18, and they are 18 by 7.5 wide. So that's what I got. Eventually I'm gonna need a new tire and stuff. And I recently did my headlights. I did plastic dip right here, and I did plastic dip all the grill. Then before, this headlights was all yellow, all that bad stuff on it. I didn't use actually all the product that to restore it. I actually just used gas, like any kind of gas, not diesel. I just use like a lawnmower gas or car gas. I wiped it on. I did it a couple times. After I was satisfied, I got soapy water and wash it off. I did the fog lights, all that. That one over there doesn't really work. I think it came off done. The wiring. Right here is a blue tint for the light at night. I did have my HIDs, 10,000K HIDs. I think they're the Alienware kind of thing. So that's what I did. Some of the dents on here was there when I first got it, but definitely that one. I wish I know how to get rid of. If you know how to get rid of it, let me know down by the comment. I got a lowering spring on it. See if I can see it. There it is, red. So I got that front and back, excuse me. The 1.5 lower on each front and back. I like it. So it's nice. I got more stickers. This Gira, whatever how you pronounce it, that is my my BMX frame. So that's what I did. It's not that much. I did a whole lot. And then right here, the holes, you can kind of figure what I did from that. A spoiler. I didn't really like it. I did tint in a tail light, but cop didn't told me I have to take it off. I hate him. Yeah, that's all I did pretty much. So eventually I'm gonna, if I still have this car, I'm gonna have probably a lip or the GTR R34 bumper, just the front bumper that look like the GTR. So